Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for coming back to another video. If you guys are new here, you know what to do. Take a second to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and drop a comment. So today guys, we're going to be talking about a very inspirational story. So a couple videos ago, I interviewed a young lady who moved to Grand Prairie, Alberta from Oakville, Ontario. Now a little background for all of the persons who haven't seen that video. So her name is Nadisha. Nadisha was living in Oakville for the past 9 years. And since being in Oakville, she's shared some of the stories that persons would want to know about living in Oakville and some of the challenges that she had. One of which was access to affordable housing. Now, she brought to attention something very important to me that I wasn't particularly aware of, and that particular thing was rental control. Now, if you live in a particular house or apartment and you've lived there for a particular while, then your rent will be at a set amount. But if you should change location and move somewhere else, then your rent will be increased drastically. So because of that fact, a lot of persons choose to live in the same apartment even if they're no longer comfortable. Now the question came up, why didn't you buy a house in Oakville, Ontario? And the simple answer was, it's simply too expensive. Now we talk about a number of other different factors, challenges, successes that she experienced there, and what she's looking forward to moving here to Grand Prairie, Alberta. Now, I consider that to be a very, very privileged conversation because it opened my eyes to some of the differences that exist in different provinces and also different cities. So if you guys are thinking of moving to Canada, please be sure to do your research and understand that where you go determines the outcome, or your success depends on it ultimately. Now she moved to Grand Prairie and she was able to purchase a house here before she even moved there. So when she moved into her own home. And I want to say huge congratulations to Nadisha because owning a home is a significant feat. So congratulations. I know you're watching this video. And I want you guys to give this video a thumbs up as a form of congratulations to Nadisha as well. But she didn't just purchase her first home, guys. She purchased a house that allowed her to be able to have some form of rental income, which is even a bigger deal. So she got a two-sided house. She lives on one side and the other side is being rented. So we took the opportunity to video that section for persons living in Grand Prairie or moving to Grand Prairie and is looking to get somewhere convenient to rent. So take a second, watch this video, watch this review, watch this store, but be sure to drop some congratulations down into the comment section. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed this tour. Let's go inside.
So she had a business set up here, and I guess to sell it to cheap. They transformed it
Into a residential?
into a yeah.
Oh, this is a lot of space. Welcome home. You know what? I love this already.
Yeah. So everything is brand new. Because the kitchen, it was an industrial kitchen, so they took their stuff home.
$1,700. Probably. What?
Yeah.
This is nice.
Yeah. So, and then another thing, I was seeing properties where the income side of it wasn't as nice, and I didn't want to rent. Yeah.
So, personally, I really love it. The appliances brand new. I like the white cupboards, lots of space.
Yeah. And because it was an industrial kitchen, you see the amount of plugs.
Yeah.
Plugs.
But that's convenient though.
Yeah.
Like honestly, if I was looking for somewhere to rent, I would rent here. And that's one of the things that I personally used to gauge.
Yeah. So.
Yeah. This is really nice, Nadisha.
Thank you.
Well, what we've seen so far.
Yeah. So it's a. Bear in mind, it's a basement.
Yeah.
Income suite,
Of course.
right? So, but it walks out to grade, which I like.
Yeah.
So.
Okay. Oh, after you.
So, and then here they have pantry storage.
Yeah. Is this a bathroom or just a
Yes,
door?
this is the
connecting
first
to-
bathroom.
Okay.
The door doesn't This is the one that doesn't stay open. They have something on it
Oh,
that is
I love the white and the black trimming.
So it's a full bath.
Standing shower.
Mm-hmm.
Listen, this is nice.
Yeah.
And lots of space.
Yeah. Good amount of space.
Brand new, guys. Brand new. If you're looking for somewhere to rent,
I didn't like the outside, you know.
link
The
up.
outside was turning me off, and then
$1,600, guys.
yeah, the outside was just not doing it for me. However, yeah, I'm like, nah, I'm so old. I don't even go outside. So, yeah, the outside, that was the only thing I didn't like. The
Yeah.
outside, the front, I don't like it. But this makes up for it.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so.
Nuts. Much.
So,
This leads to the neighbor.
and then this is the second bathroom here with laundry. That just
So it's a 2-bed, 2-bath.
right. So this is
Listen. And they have their own laundry
yeah. So I just got this, but somebody's coming after you to
to connect it up and stuff.
yeah. The plug is wrong, so electrician has come to change that. So lighting, mirrors,
Yeah.
all new, and laundry, and then you can have space here for more. I don't know, a cupboard or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is really nice. For $1,600.
Yeah, that's what times you say. 16,
Man.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And then the
2 bedrooms.
yeah. So this is 1 bedroom. So this is our crawl space, which
Yeah.
we need to keep it where access under there, and the same for the other room. So this is 1 bedroom. I know in this is it this one or that one they had a double bed in there, so you can fit a double bed and 2 side tables,
Yeah.
closet.
Honestly, I would move in today.
And the
If
windows are big windows.
Yeah, this is spacious. This can king size bed for sure.
Maybe not king size.
No, definitely king size. But you won't have much space for
Space
much
anything,
more.
yeah.
But yeah, and you got the TV
Yeah,
mount. Yeah.
So again, same layout as the other one. So is it, and also cross space. So
Cross space, just in case of an emergency.
yeah, they inspected. They have to go under there and check all the workings of the house. I don't obviously not going to go under there.
Yeah.
So
I give this a 10 out of 10, Nadisha.
yeah, for income suite. Yeah.
I give this a 10 out of 10. Like we've seen some pretty.
Yes, I don't have to be bothered with.
Yeah. You have your own door. You don't have to worry about anything.
Yeah, so laundry and then just show me the floors. She can so I need to put like curtain rods or whatever for the shower curtain.
You have me running with the camera.
Yeah. So the laundry has.
That's what I told her. I told her that this is mint.
And this light works. That's why I say I want these things up there.
Yeah.
But
This is mint. And when are you looking to have this rented? Like as soon as possible, or
in the next month.
in the next month?
When I do the finishing things, like get the rod for there, and I need rods for the closet.
Gotcha.
And then somebody's coming today to. Yes, the plug doesn't work. So they need to change the plug.
Oh, it's
a different
probably the
plug.
European.
He was saying one is for stove, and mine, the plug here is for stove.
Oh,
So it's 220,
Gotcha.
but it's just the it doesn't fit. So then he's gonna change it.
I really love it. It feels new. And I know it's new, but it feels new. Yeah. So you get your own utilities. Well, not water, but you get your own lights. Pay for your own light. And of course, you'd pay for everything else, like your internet and stuff like that. You said these are all new?
Yes, see this, it still has this paper
Yeah.
on, and this drawer still has.
Did you get a good deal on this fridge?
I didn't buy the fridge. It came with
Comes
it.
with it?
Everything came like how you
Oh,
see.
that's right.
The only thing I bought is the washer and dryer, and that's why I'm having it.
I asked because we're looking for a new fridge.
Yeah, sorry. No, I didn't
That's
buy
okay.
it. I love this fridge. My fridge is older, so only it's a Samsung stove. That's
Swap
the
it.
first thing I
Swap
was
it.
gonna do.
Swap
But I
it.
think this one is a little bit smaller.
Swap it out. I love it. I love the white with the black. I love the white with the black trimmings. Nice.
Yeah, so I love the windows, the large windows.
Yeah.
I'm planning to put curtain rods over.
Okay.
Yeah, large windows. So it's bringing a lot of natural light.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wanted the deck on my side, but
This is really nice. I can't stop saying that.
yeah, they did a good job. So yeah. So this
Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video as much as I enjoyed filming that video. Again, drop some congratulations down into the comment section, and I want to say welcome to Grand Prairie again, Adisha, and thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. If you guys are still here, please take a second to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up on this video, and drop some congratulations down into the comment section. From being a renter to being a landlord, anything is possible in Canada, guys. See you guys in the next video.